Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. It is Tuesday. Cheers. I needed that. It's about 9:45 this morning. I have a lot to do. So let's check out and see what's on my calendar for today. I need to get my nails done over, but let's check this out. But first, if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you're an OG, welcome back. Thank y'all for coming through and supporting my channel. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, like, comment, and share my video. And it's not in the order that I normally say it, but let's have a cup of coffee. Let's finish my coffee. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Vlogtober Day 11. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, women 50 and beyond. If you are new, welcome to my channel. And if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, let's go through my calendar. But first, it is it's about 9:42 a.m. Let's go through my calendar. Pull up. I am a girl I love reading glasses I get from the Dollar Tree. Let me show you all my reading glasses I get from the Dollar Tree so I can pick which one I want to wear today. And it's funny, if they just for reading. So let's start off with my purple. Then you have the pink. Then you have this pink. Oops. Then you have this peach. Oh no, this is lavender. Let's start off by showing you my glasses so I can pick which one I want to wear. Okay, we have pink, peach, lavender, purple, then you have this color blue. It's like a yellow lime green. You have a teal blue. You have the burgundy, which is red, actually is red. Then you have the sky blue. And then you have the black. These turn on for at night when you're reading. So we're gonna put on my red ones because I have on a red dress. Now let's get into what's on my calendar. Tuesday. We have check your emails, or morning routine, check your emails. Make a couple of phone calls. This starts at 10 o'clock for the phone calls. Then we have 3 Zoom meetings. 11, 1, and 4. 11, 1, and 4. We have a meeting. Zoom meetings for a couple of brands, and one I'm actually speaking on. And then we're going to go get stuff from the storage maybe. I keep saying that, but it didn't happen. We're going to switch out the summer to the fall. And last but not least, we're going to fix this serger and finish up the pillowcases and the cardigan and start on my other robe. So with that being said, let me finish up my coffee and check my emails. Oh yeah, and I have to finish this apron. I'm gonna work on an apron while I'm on this Zoom call. So how was your morning going so far? Leave a comment down below. I fixed it. Okay, it's doing the same thing. It just started surging right here, but nothing right here. I'm done. So my loves, I'm back. Everything I said I was going to do today, I did half of it except the last two things, anything dealing with the sewing. So now I'm in my kitchen. I am going to make a pumpkin puree muffins. So, and then I'm also going to make my coffee, what is it, not coffee, yes, coffee related, my espresso martini. So to see that, check out Tara Cooks for One, because it will be on that channel there as well. So thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Thumbs up this video. Tomorrow morning I will be going to storage to pick up to swap out everything I said I was going to do this morning. So thank you for watching.